Hey guys, have you ever found yourself struggling to edit a PDF but not knowing how to proceed? In today's video, we're introducing an excellent PDF editor and Best PDF Editor 2025 for Windows and Mac that will help you experience the best PDF editing process. It's PDNOB PDF Editor. PDNOB PDF Editor is smarter, faster, and easier to use than other competitors. It allows you to edit PDF files quickly and offers a wide range of additional features. If you're interested, follow me to explore what PDNOB PDF Editor can do for you. Tenorshare PDNOB is an AI-powered smarter, faster, easier PDF editor software. Managing your PDF files has never been easier. PDNOB lets you organize, edit, and share your files without a hitch. Get it via the link in the description below the video. Download and launch PDF Editor on your computer. Supported for Mac and Windows users. Now, let's get started to edit your PDF easily with PDNOB. Click Open PDF in the upper left corner, and then you can select the PDF document you need to edit. This way, your PDF document is finished importing. You will see several features in the PDNOB menu bar at the top. Point Edit feature. With this feature, you can start editing the content in the PDF document. Click on the text box to modify the text. Also have the option to add text and image. It also provides a link function where you can set links to files or websites and even create buttons for page navigation. Then here you can also resize the page using Crop Page. There are also watermark, background, and header footer to set more types of content for your PDF document. With PDNOB PDF Editor, you have a wide range of options to organize your PDF document in various ways. To use this, open PDNOB PDF Editor and click Open PDF to open the PDF file you want to organize. Then, click on the Page button in the main toolbar, and you will see various options including Select Page, Extract Page, Crop Page, Insert, and Split. Next feature, you can use Annotate PDF. Once the document is open, click on Comment in the main toolbar. Here, you will see various annotation tools, including highlight text, strike through text, underline text, and stamps. Select the text to annotate and choose an annotation tool to use. You can easily add in comments, highlights, and drawings in the PDF and make a highlight from the text in your PDF. Next feature, that is Convert PDF. PDNOB PDF Editor comes with highly effective PDF conversion features that allow you to convert PDF to various formats. Here's how to use this feature. Click on the Convert tab in the top toolbar after adding your PDF file. A range of format options will appear in the navigation bar. Select the format you'd like to convert your PDF into. In the pop-up window, set the page range and select your desired file format. Then, click the Convert button to start the conversion. Your PDF will be ready shortly. And also you can use Protect PDF feature. Click on Protect in the main toolbar after importing your PDF file, then click Encrypt and create an open password or editing and page extraction password for the document. The powerful feature that is Chat with AI PDF Editor, the power of AI Editor. PDNOB PDF Editor offers extensive AI features that allow you to summarize a PDF and ask any questions. AI feature on the right side, you can see the AI function. Click on it to get started. You can send commands to the AI to quickly summarize the contents of the PDF. This will help you save a lot of reading time. Once the document is open, click on the Start button to allow PDNOB AI to begin analyzing the document. You can ask anything with this chat AI. You can also ask anything outside the topic in this PDF. But AI will also summarize and answer whatever information you need about the PDF, such as summarizing important points, asking about certain pages, and much more. With the help of AI, it makes it easier for you to create or edit a document and makes your work more time-saving with the help of AI. I highly recommend PDNOB for your PDF file needs because it has a variety of features and also supports AI. That's a quick overview of PDNOB PDF Editor's features. Did it solve your PDF editing problems? Pnob PDF Editor offers rich functionality with a clean and user-friendly interface. In addition, it's super affordable, and with one license for both Windows and Mac, it's a great value. Click the link below to download it now and see how it can double your PDF processing efficiency.